Ladies and gentlemen, okay, let me introduce you to the Mojito Float. This is a different kind of mojito. So we start off with some lime slices, some mint leaves. Everything right now is normal in a mojito. Simple syrup, okay, you muddle. That's just how you would make a regular mojito. At this point, you would add ice and then some rum, or some rum and then some ice, okay, and then top that with soda water, okay? Here's where things get a little different. There's no ice in here, but we come in with lime sherbet, put that in, and we turn this into a Mojito Float. It's a really different kind of drink, but it's cool, okay? I suggest you try it. It bubbles up, but it's fun, all right? And there you have it, wait, what are you doing? The Mojito Float. Really interesting, cool drink, man, okay? You see my face light up because it looks like it tastes crazy, right? But that is a really, really delicious drink. Stay tipsy, my friends. Stay tipsy.